Hello, and welcome to day 19 of our SQL Made Simple series. And today we will be focusing on cross join. So one may ask, what is a cross join? A cross join is used to combine every row from one table with every row of another table, producing a Cartesian product. This means if it's table A has 5 rows and table B has 3 rows, the result will have 5 multiplied by 3, which gives us 15 rows. And unlike inner, left, or full outer joins, no condition is required to match rows, which means we don't need to use the on statement. And these are the use cases for cross-join, generating combinations, example, all products with all suppliers, testing and generating sample data sets. So without wasting much time on this, we will need to get into our database, get our hands dirty to understand and explore this. Okay, so I'm going to open a new query, then we will look at it quickly. So our first example will be on the product versus suppliers. And we are doing a cross join on these two tables. So let us first of all take a look at what's in there from. So we're doing the product, and I'll do another select statement from suppliers. Now let's run it. So we have 5 rows, we have 3 columns. So when we finish with a cross join, then you would appreciate why I said it combines all the rows from table A, table B. So 5 by 3, giving us 15 rows. Let's see what's going to happen here. Okay, so we do our select statement. We're doing a from. So we're looking at the product. So product first. Okay, product as P. Okay, then we're doing a cross join with the suppliers. So suppliers as S. Now let's work on our select statement. So what I want to do is to select the product name from the product table. So which will be P dot product name. And I also want to select the supplier name from the suppliers table, and it's been aliased as S. So S dot supplier name. And I also need a region. So region is coming from the supplier. So S dot region. So once I do this, that sums it up. Let's run it, execute, and this is what we get 15 rows. But I want us to order by the product name. So from the product table, then the supplier name from the supplier table. So that should conclude our code. Oh, sorry. Okay, then this. So now let's see what, okay, order by, now run. There we have it. So this is what you do, or this is the result of what you're going to get when you do a cross join. And we can do another example for the people and orders, okay? So cross join the people and orders table. Okay, so select star from people, select star from orders. Okay, so now let's take a look at our data set. So we have five rows for both. Okay, so I'll do my from people as, let's say, P. Okay, then I'll do a cross join with the orders as O. Okay, now let's work on our select statement. So we're going to select, I want the first name and the last name from the people table, and the people is P. So PE dot first name, and I want us to concatenate it into one field or one cell in Excel. Then PE dot last name, okay, as person name. And I want us to also look at probably the gender if we want to. Then I'll go to the order. I will need to do the order ID. And you also want to know the order status from the orders table. So order status. Okay. So I think that is done. Then I want us to order by the person ID and the order ID. So that sums it up. Let's run the code. Boom. There we have it. Okay. So let me run this, execute. Now I have this. Easy peasy. Well done. And I'll encourage you to keep practicing. And that's the only way you're going to get better at this. So these are a few key points I want you to remember. Cross join is equal to Cartesian product, which means all combinations are included. And as you saw from the practice, no on condition is needed. And you have to be very careful with large tables as the number of rows grows multiplicatively, and use order by for readability. And our takeaway is cross joins are powerful for scenario building, testing, or generating combination tables. Always check table sizes to avoid massive result set, and can be combined with where filters to reduce rows if needed. So that's a challenge I'm giving you. As you practice, include a where condition in your statement to filter the result. Do well to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and do well to also share with a friend who is also learning how to master SQL. Blessings.